Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be using a new cleaning tool I found to help clean our wheels a lot faster and with a lot less effort. I picked up this new thing called the Ball Buster from Chemical Guys. Actually picked it up on Amazon, so they sell a lot of Chemical Guys stuff on there. But I figured I'd go ahead and give it a whirl. It just hooks up to any standard drill and helps you get in your wheels, kind of get those crevices and those hard to reach places that you might not really be able to get with just your hand, reaching in there with a cloth. So let's go ahead and hook this thing up and see how well it does. Alrighty, so our front wheel here is looking pretty nasty. I've got quite a buildup of brake dust and just dirt and other gunk up in there. And as you can see, I've stuck my hand back in there a little bit already to try and make sure it fits, but I can fit my hand back up in there to about here. But that doesn't leave me much room for, cleaning potential for scrubbing this out. So this drill attachment should help us get all the way back up in there and make this look like a brand new wheel. Let's go ahead and hook it up and see how it does. Alrighty, and to get it set up, it's literally as easy as putting it into the drill, making sure you've got it tightened down, and then you're ready to go. And what's nice is this little black plastic sheath that's over the top makes it to where you can get some good leverage on there, and that way it's not spinning in your hand and tearing up the insides of your hand. And so with one pass of the Ball Buster, some soap and water, it looks like this wheel hasn't even ever seen the road before. Look all the way up in there, and all that dirt and grime and brake dust is gone. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If keeping your wheels clean is as important to you as it is to me, you'll probably want to go ahead and pick up one of these Ball Busters. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below so that you can pick one up if you want to. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.